Unlock the power of effortless global payments with your Wise digital card for both online and in-store purchases. First, let's activate your card. Open your Wise app, navigate to the Cards tab, and tap on your digital card to activate it, confirming your details if prompted. Once activated, your digital card is automatically linked to your Wise account, ready to use your available balances. For online transactions, simply choose credit or debit card at checkout, then input your digital card number, expiry date, and CVV, all found within your Wise app. For in-store payments, add your Wise digital card to your phone's mobile wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay, and then just tap to pay wherever contactless is accepted. Wise digital cards generally follow the same limits as physical cards, with specific daily and monthly maximums clearly displayed in your app under card limits. Your card is protected with two-factor authentication for sensitive transactions, and you can instantly freeze or unfreeze your card in the app if you ever need to. Beyond security, the Wise app allows you to easily track all your transactions, view statements, and access your card details at any time. Making international payments has never been more seamless. Enjoy the ease and security of your Wise digital card.